Have you ever experienced this? You buy a brand new phone that you dreamed for just after 3 to 6 months. It feels normal and boring to you. You get into new relationship just after some time that excitement itself ends. You get a car, bike or whatever you want in your life but still you cannot be happy forever. But why? Why humans feel not satisfied even after having everything they want in their life? Let me tell you. This is the story of treadmill. That treadmill not you see in the gym, but inside in your mind where you're trapped. Once you know how secretly this controls your life, you will never see the happiness the same way again. Well, before getting into the video, please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular interesting videos like this. If we get into the video, Rahul, as a teenager, he wanted a bike to roam with his friends and also to go to the college. And he thought if he get that bike, he will be the happiest person ever. But after saving a lot of money, he gets that bike. After getting that bike, after some months, it feels normal to him. Now he wants a car. He gets a dream job. He works for it. He chases for the money. He gets car, house, everything he need. He wanted. But after that, he sit alone and he think himself why he is still not satisfied. And actually, this is the trap scientists decoded this years ago. Well, this trap is called the treadmill trap, where you're running, chasing for the things, even after having everything, but still you're not happy. This is actually not your fault. This is how our human brain has evolved. Our ancestors needed to chase for more food, more safety, more opportunities so they could survive easily. But now that survival program has become something like the happiness trap. That's why even after having everything, still you are not satisfied. And according to some studies and research, they compared two groups. The people who had won the lottery, the people who had accidents and paralyzed. According to that research, after some time, they seen after 1 year, the happiness levels of both the people had came to same level of happiness they had before. It's really shocking. I mean, how this actually happens. Three reasons for this. One is habituation. Your brain gets bored so quickly. Like a small kid, if you give him a new toy, his excitement, his happiness will actually raises. But temporarily, your brain resets it to baseline. Again, you come back to same level of happiness after some time. Second one is social comparison. You always compare to other people. Actually, people don't want more things. They want more than others. They run for that. They want to showcase the people that they are more than them. They compare to the social media things. Even you can see that's how the bad they are doing. They compare the things to the social media, what meal they are having, what the car they have, what the bike they have. That's how they compare. Once you start comparing your life with others, your happiness is going to depend on others itself. That's how it will be. Third reason for this is genetic set point. So some people will be more cheerful and happy by birth itself, and some people actually get happiness through the time, through the things they get in their life. That's how the happiness will be. But how you can stay happy for longer period of time? One thing you can do is gratitude. So be thankful for everything. Write down that at night and be thankful for it. If you do like this, your brain holds the joy for longer period of time. Second one is mindfulness. That means live in the present moment. If you're eating, just eat. If you're talking, just talk. If you do like this, if you live in the present moment, and you can stay happy for longer period of time. Third one is experience the things. See, if you get a new car or bike, that happiness fades actually after some time. Just one thing you can do is experience the thing. Go with your friends, create some memories. That memories will create actually, that will bring you the more happiness. After some time also you can remember those memories. That's how you can stay happy for a longer period of time. But actually everything is temporary in this material world. Even you, I, everyone are actually temporary. So if you want to really stay happy forever, just live in the present moment. So happiness is not in the things that you want to get. that you're chasing for. Happiness is really in the present moment. So be in the present moment, live the present moment, enjoy the things that you actually have now. That's how you can be happy. So for more interesting videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will really going to improve from my upcoming videos. I will try my best to give you audience the best content through my channel. Thank you for watching.